Would you like a slice of cake with that?
Oh yes, that would be delightful. And whilst you're at it, bow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name's Lauren.
And today we are bringing you the classic Vicky sponge.
Victoria sponge, if you have some efficacy.
Just fun saying Vicky sponge, isn't it?
And do you know a fun fact why it's called Victoria sponge?
Go on, give me that fun fact.
Queen Victoria used to eat it at tea time after she'd had her tea. Oh, no, she would have had it with her tea.
Oh,
yeah.
that's style.
We're going to jump right into it. Ingredients are listed in the description below. We're going to launch ourselves into this.
Right, and it's literally just launching all the ingredients in the bowl.
It's a pretty easy recipe, isn't it?
Do you want to start in as well? You can
Sugar.
Chuck the butter in.
Butter.
That'll be fine. Baking powder. Vanilla extract.
Flour or flour.
And we can do 2 eggs each today. Right. Are you trying to be skillful on this? Look at that, one hand.
Yeah, but
my skill overpowers your skill. Wash these mittens.
And the dishes. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees, which is gas mark 5.
We're going to pop this in the stand mixer for a couple of minutes. The ingredients actually combine together rather quickly, and then it'll be ready to go in our cake tins.
Fairly simple. Let's go into it then. We have got our 2 8-inch pans. We are going to give them a little spritz with our fry light. This is going to prevent that cake mixture from sticking to the pan. We like to use a light coloured pan tin because it makes, believe it or not, makes your sponge lighter in colour. I don't know why.
Never knew that.
But I learned that as a fact the other day. So,
you can see what she's been researching.
Yeah.
My fingers really.
I think that's, yeah, I'll go out.
Yeah, but if you do it like this, like properly loads, you need loads, it's guaranteed not to stick.
Oh, it smells nice.
It does actually
like
smell really good.
Like a really buttery scone.
Ooh.
Right?
Right. Bob's your carpet.
Bob's not my carpet.
Bob's my carpet.
Right.
Right. Mixture should be looking something like this. All smooth.
Try and distribute it evenly between both your cake tins. It's a very smooth mixture. You can't go wrong with this recipe. It's always perfect for a sponge. Gorgeous.
Ooh. And if you're lucky, I might give you the recipe for my Genoese sponge.
Ooh. That's if you're lucky.
That's if you're lucky. No, I will at some point.
Right?
Put that in a future video.
You've did an alright job distributing that.
I've only made one little bit of mess. How proud.
Alright, you'll be cleaning that up after.
Right, we're going to give that a little... Ooh.
If you bang it down, you're going to release all the air bubbles from your mixture.
Keeping it nice and even throughout. And we're going to pop these in said oven.
For how long?
About 20 minutes.
There we are.
Yep.
So we'll see you in 20 minutes, which is roughly about 10 seconds from now. Now that our lovely Victoria sponge is cooling, we are going to go ahead and make our cream. So we are going in with the Elmia 270 ml worth of double cream. And that's going to go straight in the bowl.
And we're going to put that... We're going to pop that in our stand mixer and whip it until it's all whipped. Then we are actually going to add a little bit of ice and sugar in to make it into a Chantilly cream. Time for the assembly. We're going to get that cream
in the piping bag. Paige has been my assistant here to save
the glamorous assistant
from getting my little piping bag holder out the cupboard.
Wait there.
right? So we're just loading that up as much as you can.
We don't want it to go out the sides.
No.
That's it, I think that's
I
done.
think that'll do it. Right, so just about squeeze that in, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do little blobs.
Like this. Now, this is where we want to get a little bit of ice and sugar in the sieve. Right, and then we just want to put a little bit in. Right over the top of your Victoria sponge. Hey, hey.
Look at that, beautiful work. Very nice indeed.
Vicky sponge, now assembled. Taste test.
This is the best part. You've got to get a bit jam and cream sponge. Nice.
Made a mess of that, but
Sorry. Right. It's always a fork, isn't it, with a P?
ready?
Cheers.
Look at that, the layers inside of that.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with Victoria sponge. Such
Nah.
a classic.
Everyone loves a big Victoria sponge cake.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you're lying.
If you don't, then I'm not saying nothing. Oh. Needs one on the table.
Beautiful. And that's us at 2 Small Cookies. Please give us a like, comment, thumbs up, and just hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you can see what video comes next.
And if you haven't already, check out our previous video where we went out on a little adventure to the Cockroach Inn. The food was 10/10.
Yummy.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.